In this video, I'll show you how to choose the best penny stocks on Robinhood using a winning strategy. By the way, if you live in the US and you want to save money for your retirement, I have a free gift for you later in the video. To choose best penny stocks on Robinhood, open the app or the web version and go to your home screen. From there, scroll down until you see the section labeled Popular Collections. Tap on Show More to open the full list of categories. This will take you to a page where you can see different sectors, such as technology, healthcare, energy, finance, and more. Select a sector that you're comfortable with, for example, healthcare or technology, since these sectors often react strongly to news and tend to have higher volatility. Once you tap on a sector, you'll see a full list of stocks inside that category. At the top right area of the screen, locate the Filter or Settings panel, where you can adjust different criteria. Start by setting the price range. Drag the slider so the maximum price is set to $5, since penny stocks are generally considered stocks trading under $5. As soon as you adjust the price range, the number of stocks shown on the screen will decrease. Next, look for the Performance Timeframe option. Change the time frame from 1 day to 1 week. This helps you identify stocks that have been moving consistently over several days, instead of just spiking for a single day. After that, select the Rising option instead of Falling, so the list only shows stocks that are trending upward. Then move to the Market Cap filter, and choose Small. Penny stocks typically have smaller market caps, which means they can move faster with buying pressure. Once you apply all these filters, the list will narrow down significantly. Now, look at the Change column, and tap on it to sort the stocks from highest percentage gain to lowest. This will organize the list so the biggest movers over the past week appear at the top. Tap on any stock to open its chart. On the chart screen, switch to the weekly view using the time frame buttons located under the chart. Analyze whether the stock has steady upward momentum or if it has already made an extreme move and might be slowing down. Also check the volume bars below the chart to make sure trading activity is strong and higher than usual, since liquidity and volume are important for entering and exiting trades smoothly. By filtering for low price, 1 week rising performance, small market cap, and strong volume, you can narrow down the list and identify penny stocks on Robinhood that show momentum and potential opportunity. Now these days, many Americans are looking for alternatives to traditional retirement accounts. But did you know you can legally buy physical gold coins as part of your retirement savings? It's called a gold IRA, and most people don't even know about it. If you want to learn how it works, I've linked a free guide from Augusta Precious Metals in the description below. It's packed with lots of useful information, so check it out. And also, if you want to learn more about Augusta Precious Metals and how they can help you set up a gold IRA, click the video showing up on your screen to watch a detailed review.